Okay, stop scrolling right now, because what I'm about to show you is going to completely change the way you look at your face every single morning. I'm Luisa Hart, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 3 incredibly powerful pressure points that can visibly transform your face. We're talking puffiness gone, under-eye bags reduced, jawline sharper. And it can start happening in literally 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. But first, I need you to understand something that most people get completely wrong. If your face looks bloated, if you wake up looking swollen and heavy, if you've got that double chin or those stubborn under-eye bags that just won't quit, I promise you it is almost never about fat. Say it with me, it is not fat. What it actually is fluid. Lymphatic fluid that is sitting right underneath your skin, trapped, stagnant, going absolutely nowhere. And here's the thing, the way most people try to deal with it, drinking more water, splashing cold water on their face, even certain facial massages. They're moving the fluid in completely the wrong direction. They're pushing it around without ever giving it an exit. And that's exactly what we're going to fix today. We're going to give that fluid a way out, and you are going to see the difference on your own face before this video is even over. I'm going to prove it to you. So grab a mirror if you can, and let's get into it. We're starting with point number 1, and this one is everything. This is the exit point. This is the drain. Without opening this first, nothing else we do will work the way it should. So find the bone right behind your ear, not the soft fleshy part, I mean the actual bone, and press it right there. Now make small, firm circles with your fingertip, slow and intentional. Feel that? That right there is your lymphatic exit point. Everything, and I mean everything, drains here. If this spot is blocked, if this pathway is congested, your face is going to stay swollen no matter what serums you use, no matter how many expensive eye creams you apply, no matter how much water you drink. The exit has to be open first. So stay with me, keep those circles going, and really press into that bone. Feel it, own it. Good. Now keep that point in mind because we're going to come back to it. And when we do, everything is going to click into place. Now we move to point number 2, and this one has a completely different job. While point 1 opens the drain, point 2 is what actually mobilizes the stuck fluid. It's what gets things moving. And you are going to feel this one instantly. I want you to find the highest point of your cheekbone, trace right along that bone, and just underneath it, there's a small hollow, a little dip. You'll know when you found it because it almost feels like your finger is being cradled by your face. That's the spot. Now, once you're there, and this is important, so pay attention to the direction, you're going to press gently and drag your finger toward your ear. Not down, not up, toward the ear. Press and drag, press and drag. Let's do it together right now. This spot, right here under the cheekbone, is one of the biggest problem areas on the entire face when it comes to fluid retention. This is why your cheeks feel heavy by afternoon. This is why your under eye area looks so tired and puffy. The fluid pools here, right in this little pocket, and it just sits there because nobody ever shows you how to actually move it. But now you know. Press, drag toward the ear. Press, drag toward the ear. Repeat this up to 10 times, and while you're doing it, look at your face in the mirror. Really look. Because here's what I want you to notice. I'm only doing this on one side of my face right now, and if you look closely, you can already see a difference between the two sides. The side I've been working on, It looks lifted. It looks more defined. The skin looks more radiant. That is not a trick. That is not lighting. That is lymphatic drainage working in real time. Keep going. Press, drag, up to 10 times. You've got this. Okay, point number 3. And this one, oh, this one is special. This is the one that targets what I call the tired face zone. You know that look? When someone says you look tired even though you slept 8 hours. Or when your face just looks dull and flat and heavy around the nose and mouth area. This is why. Point 3 is located right next to your nose, right at the very top of where your smile line begins, that natural crease that forms when you smile. Press your finger gently into that area and feel around. There's a tiny hollow there, and when you press it, you might feel a very slight tenderness. That tenderness is completely normal. It actually tells you that you found exactly the right spot. That sensitivity means there's congestion there. Your lymphatic system is saying hello. Now here's how we work this point. It's a little different from the others. Instead of dragging, we're going to press and lift. So press gently, and then lift your finger slightly upward. Press and lift. Press and lift. Repeat up to 10 times. Do it with me right now. Press, lift. Press, lift. Press, lift. Yes, that's it. Feel how different that motion is from just pressing? You're not just stimulating the point, you're actively encouraging the fluid to move upward and out of that congested zone. And this, combined with the other 2 points, is where the magic really starts to happen. Now here's where it gets really exciting, because we're going to connect all 3 points into one complete drainage pathway. This is the full sequence, and this is where everything comes together. Are you ready? Let's walk through it together, slowly and deliberately. Start at point 3, right next to your nose at the top of the smile line. Press and lift. Press and lift. Press and lift. Do this about 10 times, nice and slow. You're mobilizing the fluid from the deepest part of the face first, getting it ready to travel. Now move to point 2, right under the highest point of your cheekbone in that little hollow. Press and drag toward the ear. Press and drag. Press and drag. You're now creating a pathway, guiding that mobilized fluid up and across the cheekbone, directing it toward the exit. And now, point 1. Behind the ear, on the bone. Small, firm circles. This is your drain, remember? You opened it first, you kept it ready, and now the fluid that you've been moving through points 2 and 3 arrives here and gets pulled downward, out of your face, out of your head, down through your neck and away. Speaking of which, this next move is absolutely essential and so many people skip it. After you finish the circles behind the ear, I want you to sweep your hands firmly down the sides of your neck. Long, confident strokes from just under the ear all the way down to your collarbone. This is how the fluid actually exits the body. This is the final leg of the journey. Without this step, you're just moving fluid from one part of your face to another. But with it, you're giving it a complete, clear path out. So sweep down the neck, firmly, intentionally, and breathe. Now, look at your face. Take a real, honest look. Look at the side you've been working on versus the side you haven't touched. The difference you're seeing right now? That's real. That's not your imagination. That's what happens when you actually understand how your lymphatic system works and you give it the movement it needs. The skin looks clearer. The contour looks more defined. There's a radiance there that wasn't there 2 minutes ago. And if you do this every single day, morning, evening, whenever you have 2 minutes, the cumulative effect is extraordinary. We're talking about a face that looks consistently lifted, consistently bright, consistently like the very best version of itself. Because here's what I want you to really take away from this. Your face is not stuck. Your puffiness is not permanent. Your under-eye bags are not just something you have to live with forever. Your body has an incredible built-in system for clearing fluid and reducing congestion. It just needs to be activated correctly. And now you know exactly how to do that. 3 points, 1 pathway, 2 minutes. That's all it takes. I want you to try this right now, and I mean right now, not later, not tomorrow morning, right now. And compare the 2 sides of your face in the mirror. The result is going to shock you. And once you see it, you're never going to want to skip this routine again. Trust me on that. If this helped you, save this video immediately because you are going to want to come back to it. Share it with someone whose face you love, a best friend, a sister, your mom, because everyone deserves to know this. Drop a comment below and tell me what you noticed when you compared your 2 sides. I read every single one, and I cannot wait to hear your results. I'm Luisa Hart, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep glowing.